So what will the Israeli High Court decide in the face of mounting pressures against Prime Minister Netanyahu? Joining us now to analyze is Israeli criminal law expert and attorney Sharon Nahari. Sharon, thank you so much for being with us.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so first of all, there are several petitions right now before the High Court today. What do you make of them?
I think generally the question is if it's constitutional or not constitutional that Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu will be the alternate Prime Minister based on this unique agreement that he made with the other side, Benny Gantz. Usually the Prime Minister enjoyed the protection, the immunity of continue to be a Prime Minister, even though there is an indictment against him. And also in the case of appeal, until it's finished, he can be the Prime Minister. The question is if he still can be the alternate Prime Minister after Gantz will take to be the head of the Prime Minister, according to the unique agreement that they made. If it's constitutional, he can still be under immunity or he need to resign. This is the main question.
Well, that's exactly it, because under their agreement, Gantz made sure to include the fact that the alternate prime minister enjoys all of the same benefits of being the full prime minister, and that was agreed upon in a basic law that was passed in order to form this unity government. So do these petitions hold water?
Correct. This is made especially to have a good ground for the argument that he can still be alternate prime minister, although the general law constitution say that he need to be resigned. But now they make a special law that protect the immunity, even though he is the second prime minister, which called the alternate prime minister. And this is an interesting question. I think that the higher court will not interfere and not cancel this law, and he can be because they all understand that Benny Gantz and Netanyahu will be together, even though Netanyahu will be the alternate prime minister in this case. I think it's still realistic and good that he will be under the immunity, that he can run the state of Israel with Benny Gantz together. He can do the things and not be bothered to be resigned before the verdict is achieved.
So then, given your analysis just now, do these petitions amount to anything more than a political argument, or do the authors of these petitions actually believe that it'll be accepted by the High Court?
I can understand the petition to court. I can understand the argument. I can understand the people. Because usually only the prime minister can enjoy this. But in this special case, because of the rotation contract they made, Benjamin Netanyahu need to be the alternate prime minister and need to be protected under the right of the prime minister in this specific case, I think, which is not a regular case. That's why I think the court should not be interrupted.
Okay, Attorney Sharon Nahari, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you very much. A nice day.